Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place stickers behind like a person on CapCut PC. So just select your video, right click copy, right click paste. Then on your video, like your second video, you're going to select cutout, which is cutout here, auto cutout. Then you are going to select stickers and you're going to add in the stickers that you want. I'm just going to add this sticker in. And I am going to place it behind the person. So place it where you want it to be. You can also keyframe this, by the way, so don't worry. Actually, let's just find another one that you can actually like see really well. Maybe this one. Then I'm going to kind of extend the duration of the sticker. Take it and drag it behind the object. It's going to look kind of weird because it's better if it's like this, but like I'm just showing you guys an example. Maybe I'll try to find something else like this moon. Maybe I want this moon to be here, but the person's covering it, so I'm just going to select it, grab the sticker and add it behind the person, so it's kind of like behind the person. I'm just going to delete this so you guys can see that it is behind the person. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!